Hello, Stevo.
Hi, Dennis.
So, happy birthday to you.
How many years now?
It's been 2 years on Travel Professors.
How many countries have we been to?
More than 30 countries and territories.
And videos?
More than 140 of them.
What a great way for tourism scholars and students to learn about tourism throughout the world.
So what are the news, Stevo?
Travel Professor Dennis, I've just accepted a position as of professor and head of school of tourism and hospitality management at the University of the South Pacific, located in Suva, Fiji.
Oh wow, congratulations.
Thank you. I'm very much looking forward to getting down there and contributing to tourism education in the Pacific.
So you'll be on the move again.
That's right.
So you are already a migrant and you're still migrating?
It raises a very good question about migration as a field of study and as a sociology framework.
Yes, in sociology they started developing a mobilities paradigm which would unite tourism, migration and movement of people, goods and information for many different reasons. And there are already more than 257 million migrants in the world. And your lifestyle seems to be quite a nomadic one.
I think the globalization of the world with more and more labor moving in many parts of the world, such as the European Union, has increased the mobilities of lots of people.
Yes, mobility is one of the most controversial issues in the world that attracts a lot of attention of sociologists, but also of politicians, right?
That's right. Which brings up the important issue of visas and border controls.
All right. Well, good luck in your new endeavors, Stevo, and we will miss you here in Hong Kong, but hope to see more video clips from around the Pacific Islands.
You can be sure of that.